Continuing on in section 10.3, example 4 says you are building an L-shaped desk for your room. The dimensions of the desk are shown on page 523. Find the area of the desktop. So here, if we look at this shape, we actually have two separate pieces. We have a trapezoid here on the left. We find the area of that by taking half times base 1 plus base 2 times height. And we have a trapezoid on the bottom. So we add those two areas together to find the total thing. Total desk here. So for my red trapezoid, my bases, remember, are always my parallel sides. So here my bases are 5 and 8. My height then is how far it is between them, that perpendicular height, which here is 3. Same idea here with my blue trapezoid. My bases are my perpendicular sides here, 4 and 9. And my height is how far between them, that perpendicular height, which here again is 3. So if you want to type this all in your calculator at one time, you sure can. But we can simplify first too. Here I get half times 13 times 3 plus half times 13 times 3, which is just going to give me half plus half is 1. So 13 times 3 is 39 feet squared. And again, you could have found that just by typing it all in your calculator right away as well, as long as you type it all in right. So we can find the area of A and the entire area of B, add them together to find the total, and we get 39 feet squared. Feel free to pause here and give this a try. One base of a trapezoid is 9 feet, and the height is 4 feet. The area of the trapezoid is 28 square feet. Find the other base. A equals half times base 1 plus base 2 times height. That's our formula for a trapezoid. So, one base is 9, so I'm going to plug a 9 in for a base. Height is 4, I'm going to plug that in for my height. And the area is 28, so I'm going to plug that in here. And I'm going to bring down the rest of my stuff here. It says find the other base. We're looking for the other base, so that stays a B. Now, I'm going to commute on my right side to write it just a little bit neater. I'm going to put my constant factors together, and then my parentheses at the end. And we can commute with multiplication, which means we move them around. So here, half of 4 is just 2. Half times 4 is 2. I have parentheses. I want to get rid of it, so I'm going to distribute. And now that both sides are as simple as I can get them, I can solve. So to get B by itself, first thing I need to do is get rid of my adding. So I'm going to subtract an 18. Now B is being multiplied by 2, so I'm going to go ahead and divide. Once we get to this point right here, guys, we just solve that equation the same way we have been for a while now. So my second base is 5, and these are all in feet. So my label will also be in feet. 5 feet is my second base. And that's all I have for section 10.3.